All right, guys, it's Sunday night. Getting on these lower quarters on the passenger side now. The other side's already set where I want it. I just got some finishing touches to do. Then I can start the bodywork process with the fiberglass Bondo and just get all the seams done so that way you really can't tell what I did. So, again, I'm not a body man, I'm a painter, but I ain't afraid to do this shit, you know what I mean? I'll fix it all myself. So, at the end of the day, this ain't gonna be a show car. Don't want it to be a show car. It's just a street car, but it's gotta be presentable. You know, I go to car shows with the fellas out here in Chicago. I just wanna make sure my shit looks good. So that's all we're doing right now. You know, this spring, my main focus is mechanically. I wanna get this bitch mechanically sound, get everything in it that I want. We're gonna go with nitrous oxide this summer. So, you know, I'm not gonna tell you how much we're gonna use, what we're gonna use. All I know is, you know, we're definitely going to try to get some good low times on this bitch this summer. So going with some big Mickey Thompson drag radios. So we got a lot of plans, man, but I can't put new tires with quarter panels that look like that. That ain't going to happen. So, you know, everybody's like, man, you're a painter. This thing should be beautiful. It should. You know what? I ain't trying to take it to shows and be afraid of people scratching the motherfucker because this shit gets me nervous, man. So, that's pretty much where we're at right now. I'm just trying to get this thing a little bit more presentable, get it out on the street, you know, represent. So that's what we're doing. Stay tuned on this project, everybody.